Hey, it's Machek. Moving on to the Bulkhead. What do we have going on here? Well, they hacked this out to fit the automatic. Because as usually they put some angle iron around the hole, but apparently they cut out a whole another piece of plate and welded it in. Unfortunately, the thick plate that they put in that covers basically the whole bulkhead ends right here. And from here on, it's a really thin plate that they bent kind of to match. Fortunately, there's a crack in it, and looking from the back side, it looks like there. I'll take you into this little bay here. It might help me see what's going on too. So there's the back of it. Yeah. So that plate's gonna have to come off, and we're gonna get some thicker plate and bolt it over. Hopefully that'll do us. Might even try to fill this in, but that's not really a big deal. Ow! Note to self: don't get up in the engine bay. So yeah, we're gonna remove this whole plate. This was interesting. They didn't have anything to cut it with, so they drilled a bunch of holes and broke it off. And we'll get rid of all this junk. We don't need that anymore. Anyway, still wondering what these are. They're not the bay lights, because those are under there and up here with the filters. Get you a shot of those. But yeah, I've been cleaning this out. So I'm cleaning here pretty much. And I got a bunch of gunk. Also, looks like the drive shafts broke loose at some point. And bang that hole around a little bit, if you can see that. I might try to straighten that out. More hacking for transmission clearance. And yeah, you probably won't be able to see in there. But you can see these compartments on this side. So the other side has the same thing, except they were full, completely full of gunk. Scraped them out, but they have maybe 1/8 to a 1/4 inch of rust flaking inside here and there. We'll have to blast that out or something and POR both these rails so they don't just rot away in the Pacific Northwest. The linkage is full of muck. Probably leave that alone and just disconnect and remove the oiling lines because we don't need those. And what else was interesting? Yeah, look at that awesome wiring. Luckily there's only a few wires and I know where they all go. So fuel line runs to the tank. This is the return, and this is where the original was. I'm assuming this line leaks somewhere. If this one ever springs, we'll leave it alone for now. If that one ever springs a leak, we'll try to restore the original. I'll be restoring this bulkhead pass through there. Already got one of those from Luke. U.S. coast of New Jersey. NOS. Or new. I don't know. And we'll get rid of that unnecessary AC stuff too. Because it's never getting restored. It's just the cost is too high. And the maintenance is too much. I'm just going to go with a modern mini split. The rooftop units are doing okay for now. Gas cable needs some love. It was working. but that needs to be addressed. The center, hopefully I can get a replacement section from here to there. The rest in there, probably okay. Yeah, so I'll be asking for pictures. Try and get this this bulkhead straightened out. But it was working as it was, so can only make it better. Certainly can't leave it as is while I'm in here, though. Oh yeah, power steering hose was also replaced. I believe this is the new positive power steering. Just runs up there. This is where it used to be, and this is the return, or vice versa. Yeah, I'm pretty sure that's the return. Blew my tags off. Great. Alrighty. Peace. Here's a beautiful eagle.